Hi kids, my name is Danielle Stern and I'm a nutrition educator. I'm here today to talk to you about what it means to eat healthy. Now we're going to play a little game. I'm going to put two pictures up on the screen and you are going to tell me which is the healthier choice. You ready? Here's the first one. Which is a healthier choice, the apple or the chocolate chip cookie? I'll give you a second to think. Now the apple is way healthier than the cookie because apples are filled with tons of fiber which prevent you from getting sick. Remember, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Here comes the next one. A glass of milk or a can of soda? Let you think on that. A glass of milk is the best choice because it's filled with calcium, which keeps your bones strong. And here's the last one. Now this one's a bit tricky. Let's see if you can get it. Carrots or carrot cake? What do you think? Carrots are a vegetable, while carrot cake is made with tons of sugar that can hurt your head and your belly. So carrots are definitely the better choice. Great job on that activity. The reason why I wanted to do that with the class was to show you that you have the ability to make healthy food choices every day. You can choose what foods go into your body to make you grow big and strong. So what are some healthy foods you should be eating? Let's take a look. Fruits like berries, apples, and oranges are all great for you. Vegetables such as carrots, broccoli, and pepper. Protein like chicken, steak, fish, or beans, which is a vegetarian option. Grains such as whole grain bread, brown rice, and breakfast cereals. And lastly, dairy, which could be milk, yogurt, or cheese. Now what you see on the screen is a tool called MyPlate. This is what your plate should look like at every meal. Half of it should be fruits and vegetables, two smaller portions, protein and grains, and a cup or so of dairy on the side. You will all get a handout of this plate so you could bring it home to mommy and daddy and teach them how to eat healthy as well. Good job, everyone.